That's a loose talk. That is a loose talk. As to Tefano so, and obey so, nam so win so. As to Tefano win so. Kwama fa fantomo, Emma as to Tef. How do you remember say that they shouldn't use the astroturf? Is astroturf for Nanado?
Abusia, Atija, social media and so. Evangelist Diana Asamoah, ghtrending.
So tiasi, Tinano me kwasra gifty, adoye, and Sunday, nam catching say, Mammy Gifty, o mammy ye, obey he, and was a baby, Dr. Aban, a year and a ye, as to Tefano so, and obey so, nam so win so. As to Tefano win so. Kwama fa fantomo ema as to Tef na koye ne woso wan to am MPP nti kope wasase a obeye dan obeye woso what you see mama no last one oni ni kuna do ye nyina
kase beef abusia kasa lutterodt ene ye maame Diana Asamoah aklashe media ne so.
How do you remember say that they shouldn't use the astroturf? Is astroturf for Nanado? If you have people like this coming to say that they love the party by their stomach direction, would the party win?
Hey, let's talk ghtrending. And then the first time I pop into our video, I make sure so subscribe, you know, like it. I feel no leave you comment our comment section or send your wide range is EOBR. I feel no attending notification on so the bear any update via only new power on sa ABTM account. Enra, me never be some say my Diana Asamoah ekoma Empress Gifty yako oni feel or then say me ko tu bia okubisa ne say hefa ena obey any mame esembeto dwa pe ena cancer lutterodt edina no abetumo o kire se sebi Diana Asamoah akeka nkwasi asem.
Because if you have people like Diana Asamoah following MPP, why wouldn't they lose? Is Diana okay, or she's lost it?
What are you saying? No, but does it mean say party membership yes one?
No, is she okay?
Of course she's okay.
Your colleague just lost the mother. And you can walk there and say she should not use the astroturf that we use the Ghanaian taxpayers' money to do because it was done by MPP and the husband, she and the husband are with Afrofanto, so they should go and look for Afrofanto's astroturf.
Do you believe say it was serious comment and I said it was just a joke?
No, even if it's a joke or it's a loose talk, not from her. And the time, look, traditions are traditions. At the time you are speaking, that young lady is going through a mourning stage. She's mourning a loss. Do you understand what I'm saying? So how do you remember say that they shouldn't use the astroturf? Is astroturf for Nanado? If you have people like this coming to say that they love the party by their stomach direction, would the party win? That's a loose talk. That is a loose talk. And somebody in the studio was telling her, say, ma, preaching a jai. Somebody was saying it. And yeah, no. Me and father be nyagro. Obi ahwere ne maame. Ne maame aka baby. Ama ye kan sema. Na wa ko kan same way say. I mean no. Sebo no.
But MPP lost, no. How does she contribute to it?
She's speaking because she's an MPP. And Adoye and the wife are no more with the MPP.
Right, that's true.
So that's the angle she's coming from.
How can I say when people like her follow the MPP?
Because no, if you will go and say this at this time, and we saw the campaign she was doing. Is she not part of the MPP?
Yes.
And all the campaign she was doing, attacking people, saying things against people, won't people get disheartened to even vote for the party? And I'm saying at this time that the party has even gone to opposition, going to think of how they will come back, whether soon, later, or future.
Or never.
As for never, it will not happen. They will come back. Because if you do never, it will affect the NDC.
Okay.
Because the rest, I mean, even Cheddar says they didn't vote well. Cheddar, his hope was high.
What do you mean by Cheddar?
No, you saw his statement. Yeah. I mean, everybody goes to win. So how to mourn the loss is very important. No, but I think that statement from Diana Asamoah, even if she was joking, the timing was wrong, and I think she has to come back to retract it.
Okay, that's fair.
Because if truly they want to use the astroturf, it's a government property. Our taxpayers' money is what was used. And no matter how nice you might be joking with what do you call it, with Gifty, maybe I say they do no. Adia told any young canisa. Now and now covara obi challenge us the same you your father's house.
eya ye ti say Jimmy ni ya do so sen nyansasem a se ye ka okromu a o just here katom so munja mo manage nkrofo mo Jimmy na mo katom so munja
Diana Asamoah manager na ne ka say
I see obi still can say ma preachy. It means somebody didn't want her to say what she was saying.
okay,
And yet
but how do you feel about say obeto aba
say how do I feel about the loss?
the laws yes onka hunti
Aba is a loss to all of us.
I mean
If a government in power claims he has done a lot and then they lose the election, did they do anything?
no,
It's a loss to all of us.
well,
And it's an excitement to us.
so there's change.
Some MPs must go home.
There's change.
It's okay. I'm happy.
You're happy.
Yeah, I'm happy. And some of the media personalities must also be taken from their position.
Okay.
Because they took an entrenched position as if they are MPP people. And if you have a station and your presenter takes a position, entrenched position, to be with a party in power, then the party loses, sack him.
You should go with the opposition.
You should go with the opposition because he has created enemy for you.
Okay. Counselor, I'm asem so ene.
Yeah, kwa asem so ne but ene enche hu bia ye tickets.
Yeah.
Because the orgasm conference and the families conference is coming on. It's
So
another
I was right
GTA.
to predict say beba.
No, it's happening. I mean, it's not one of the council program by GTA. GTA is still full in force. We are with the Beyond the Return Secretary. It's not like the food one that they cancelled and everything. This is happening on the 25th day of December at the National Theatre. And our friends and loved ones who have been with us the whole year, we need to give them some tickets to come. One ticket to one person. So I was thinking that as we do the show today, you open the lines
give out.
quickly,
Yeah,
we give them up. So
that.
the story for the day is a nice story as well. And Maba.
So which one do we do? Yenche tickets in CC home.
I mean, if we can do both of them, we can do both of them. Read the story for the day.
Okay, yeah, story of the day. No, na yenja 5 minutes. We need fan share tickets.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Edumane menja, send me to go. I'm going to
in fact, to be the two Jakra or Facebook was na counselor or bridging na still or yen virtual.
Now say NHS say maybe I do say I don't me to coin still edumane be. And at this year the mama was where are there? Mumbo yambon se mamo. Oh, you bend there. And easy. Time difference in easy by bend there.
It's family conference no with Dr. Counselor George Lutterodt.
Mokome, see my picture. I'm a human being. And your Cartoon Network.
We are single parenting. A question or an answer to our well. Speakers ni be Reverend Charlotte Odro, Eric Ochire Dakon Esquire, Nana Kofi Owusu, Dr. Daniel Fojo, Dr. Edu Boateng, Dr. Labi, Dr. Mamet Amfo Brobe. MC Neye Abena Chi Boche.
Yeah, woman waiting that body.
And the Ebasu 25th of December, 8:30 p.m.
Perfect.
National Theatre Exhibition Hall. Wow, pinch the Chirimuno. Number is 027 760 9644.
And the number now
027 760 9644.
But that's all.
Yeah, queen me a betcha.
That's all.
I can't 9 minutes.
Cola,
But yes, Yemfa a year story in fame.
Ko.
Abranche say hello, Sibo. I'm married. Sorry. Hello, Sibo. I know I married a Krife girl, but I thought she would change as soon as we get married. I met my wife in church and we adhered to all doctrines of our church and didn't even have sex till we got married. But as soon as I married her, I had to give up some habits for her. So now I don't drink, I don't go out to party. But the funny thing is that she denies me of sex and says she's fasting. She's been putting up she's been putting up this attitude for a year since we got married. And she will force me to eat fruit on those days when she's fasting. Just imagine coming back from a hard day's work and all I get to eat is fruit. And I get denied of sex because she's fasting. I mean, what is this? I can't believe this. I really need a way out. About here, worry afe baako ni na again no. And I say ni no shia no asori mu. It no nim say video ye bi pa. Na opa say oh asori ne mra ne che say oh hu obi na we ni je no ho a. Enre no ansa na waware no. Nya abotere na mo ware ama ye ni nyina. Otie ni nyina. Na in fact obe ware again no nim so ekrife nti no. Nsanu mo agai club ne party sem mo agai. Na ne ha ne say abaye yi ɔde ne bɛ sɛ ɛdi mpa so agorɔ a ɔsɛ dabi meyɛ